got here are the Travis Scott's Low Canaries. What's up YouTube family, it's your boy BLESSKICKZ. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button and hit that like. Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys a banger, alright? So let's get to it. Boom. Yep, here we have the Travis Scott's. With Travis Scott's, let's find out. So I didn't hit on the sneaker app, but I did bought them off Goat for a good price. Good thing I didn't cop this pair earlier because these were going for like $1,500, $2,000 and I wasn't trying to pay all that. But I got a good price on this. These does come in a woman pair, so I got a size 10.5, which is 9. If I'm gonna be wearing Jordan 1 lows or highs, I do wear size 9 instead of size 9.5. Unless it's Jordan 3s or 4s, I do wear them half size up. Alright, so let's start with the box. Here what we have is a sale box with the brown Nike branding on it. You got the Nike and swoosh right over here, right over here, right over here, and right over here on each side. Alright, so let's open these up and see what we got in here. Alright, there you go guys. We got the Air Jordan 1 Lows Canary Yellow. Looks really nice. Honestly guys, if it's like a Travis Scott collab, I know it's like a hype because it's Travis Scott, but Nike, they put in extra work on his pair. The material, the looks, everything on and beyond. Nike just puts in a lot of work. I'm not gonna say, oh, it's because it's only because it's Travis Scott. No, because Nike put in work, man. That's what it is. To be honest with you, when I first saw these on Instagram or on TikTok or whatever, I thought that this was just like a concept pair. Like they will never come out with this pair. They just, you know, BSing. But when you launched this pair, I was like really excited. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go for them. Plus because it's Travis Scott, obviously. And second, because pair looks dope. Because this bright is different than every other Jordan 1s that came out, and I love how the yellow is really going with the blue. Alright, so let's get into the details. As we have the bottoms over here, we got the gum bottoms, very hard to get them dirty, and I love how they did the gum bottoms over here. Got the white midsole stitching going all the way around. We got the Jordan logo right in the back, the wings right in the back. And then we have, let's come up to the leather over here. I don't know if this is like white or like gray. I don't know what color this is, but it just says like grayish, whitish color. The leather on this is pretty nice. I mean, I feel like they could have done a better job on the leather, to be honest. But you know, it's good. All around, we have like a suede touch to the sneaker. It's really nice, very good. And then we got the yellow tongue over here with the Nike Air right in the middle, and then of course Cactus Jack. This is Travis Scott sneaker right on the side over here. All right. They do come with 2 pairs of laces, a blue one and a red one. Yellow laces are already on them, but if I wear these yellow laces on them, I think it's gonna be too much yellow. So I might put like a blue laces on it and leave one yellow, but I wouldn't put like a red on it because I don't know why would they send a red pair, because other than the Nike logo, I don't see any red. Anyhow, on the left here, we got the Travis Scott logo right in the back right over here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we'll give it another closer look in a bit. And then we got the Cactus Jack going from top to bottom. And it's right behind the blue swoosh over here. Inside what we have, let's go inside. We got the Air Jordan all the way on top over here. Then we have Cactus Jack written in blue in the middle of the pair insoles. And then we, of course, we have the red Jordan symbol white in the bottom right over here. Let's get to the other one. The other insoles are different than this one's. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Alright, so we got the Travis Scott logo, his face inside. Then we have his Travis Scott's going from the bottom, and then right in the middle we have Nike Air with shush right over here. Very nice, guys. Nike been launching these summer pairs, Tura, and this Travis Scott, all these bright pairs, TPFM, the white ones I did a video on. You should check out that review as well. I love how they're coming up with all these summer pairs. Like, it's really nice because there's a time that we write these bright colors outside, the sun is out, guns are out, so anyhow, that didn't sound too good. So we got all these nice pairs. I didn't hit on my pair, but I did hit on 2 pairs. The baby pairs actually for my kid, 8C. I mean, I'm just gonna show you guys because they look super cute. Like, I bought these for my daughter and can't wait for her to wear them because this is her size 8C. And then my wife, she hit on size 4C, which is even tinier than this one, which is even more cuter. I mean, look at these guys. That's cute, bro. Alright, so even the small shoes, they come with 2 laces as well. I mean, come on guys, Travis Scott's, like the work Nike puts in this, the material and everything. I mean, not only Jordan 1 lows, but other Jordans as well. I was really hoping for Nike to launch Jordan 1 highs because we had so many Jordan 1 lows, right? Over and over and over again. The prices are pretty decent. Like, the price on this is like around, resale is 400, 450, around there, around like 500. But we have like the fragment Jordan 1s. Like, you see the price on those? Like, it's like $1,700. I mean, I can't. $1,700, come on, man. At least like bring it down to $500-600, no problem, I'll buy it. But $1,700, that's a lot of money, you know? I could get like 3 of these. But for real, Nike needs to launch Jordan 1's highs because we already have 2 colorways already, and we need another one. And when he makes that gap in launching these Jordan 1 highs, the prices keep on going up because he doesn't constantly dropping these Jordan 1's highs. So, you know, he needs to drop at least 1 pair this year. I hope so. So far, I only got the Mochas Jordan 1 highs. That's the only pair I have. Grab it right here. These are the only ones I have. But other than that, I wish I had the fragments. But comparing this pair to the Mochas, I mean, it's very similar. If you look at them, even the material is like really similar. But the leather on this is like a little different leather than what's on this, because over here this is not a leather, it's still suede, you know. And over here, what they did, the difference, they put the put leather over here. That's what the difference they made. Even the back, same thing. If you're comparing these to Mochas, even the tongue, same thing. Pretty much everything on this pair is same thing as this one, or other Jordan 1 lows. I mean, I'm comparing it to this one because this is the one I have, and then I have another one. Yeah, so pretty much all the Jordan 1 lows are like pretty much very similar. Yeah, there you go, guys. These are the only 3 Jordan 1s I have. Lows, 1, 2. I had another one, but then I sold that one. So far, I only have these 3. Anyhow, hopefully we will be seeing another Jordan 1 high this year. Hope so. But another cool thing, this color represents Travis Scott's high school Falcons, and for all the seniors this year, Travis Scott had given them a pair of the Canaries. And what the funny thing is that after he gave away all these sneakers to the students, I saw a bunch of pairs going on sale on StockX, on Goat, and which was really a big rumor out there that these kids, instead of keeping them, they resold the sneakers, which is kind of messed up, because if Travis Scott, he gives me something, I'm keeping it. Honestly, I'm keeping it. But anyhow, everybody has the same point of view, so they can do whatever they want. Well, here you go, guys. There we have Jordan 1, Travis Scott, low, Canary yellow. And let me know in comments down below if you guys do want to see a Jordan 1 high in the near future. Alright? I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Wow, what do you have here? Show them the sneaker. Yes, your new sneakers. What color are they? Yellow. So, I hit on sneaker app, her size 8C, and I hit on my, well, I did not hit on my size. I actually had to, can we get down? And it comes with, well, red pair. Got the Travis Scott on the tongue written, Cactus Jack, bright color, good for summer. Yes, you want to put them on? Yeah. Alright, let's put them on your feet. She just want to put these on right away. Let's put them on for you. Perfect. Let's put it on. Alright, let's stand up. Stand up. Whoa, look at these. Look at this, guys. You like them? Yes? You gonna wear them outside? Yes? You gonna look fresh? They did a good job on this pair, right? Yes, they did. You like them? Alright, can we wear them? Yes, okay, so it's my first time doing a review with my daughter. Fit in size 9.5. But Jordan ones I fit in size 9. I mean, it was a little cheaper than the size 9.5, so I bought a size 9. Yes, baby. Mommy's here? Alright, I gotta go. See you guys next time. Somebody's at the door. Peace out.